Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna do a scavenger hunt. We've got a nice sheet that's got lots of different things on it, such as worms, leaves, insects, flowers, dew, birds, squirrels, spider. And we're gonna go off into the woods and see if we can find every single item on here, and as we find it, we're gonna tick them off one at a time. We might have to move some logs to find some beasties, and we'll see what we can see. Right, which one do you want to look for first?
Tree.
Right.
The tick.
Yes, tick, good girl. Dirt. Shoes. So we take that one as well.
What's this?
Oh, which one does that cover?
Tick.
So I want to see if we can find mushrooms or some sort of fungus. So we're looking on trees to see if we can see any bracket fungus.
So let's tick.
Is there a web on there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look. It says web.
Do you want to have a look, see if you can see any spiders?
Okay.
We've not found ants, right. Where do you think we might find ants?
Ah, I found ants. Come with me.
Oh, got him. Can you see him?
Yeah. Yeah.
The lots.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some here. Right.
Whoa, that's a long way up.
It's a very long way up, isn't it?
Yeah.
We already saw a squirrel today, didn't we?
Yes, so we're going to take that.
So you reckon we can take that already? And we've seen birds as well today, so should we
Yes.
take those off too?
Tick. Tick.
Okay.
You think this is a rabbit hole?